Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy, and look who is doing exactly what she said she would do, wearing Lolita for her Lolita videos. I am very excited about this. I put on my Elegy salopette that I actually haven't worn anywhere yet. It's very cute. I like the little bow. It does, however, point to me that I don't have enough for this cord. I'll tell you right now, all I had was this little white bow. I don't have any jewelry, nothing, so this is a good learning opportunity for me, as well as a chance to look super cute. I know it's been a while since I did anything Lolita related on this channel, and I'm hoping you guys didn't think I had abandoned it. I promise I didn't. I just had an overload of cosplay stuff going on at the beginning of this year, and I was actually waiting for some stuff to arrive so we could do an unboxing, and it was taking its sweet time, but it has finally come, and that's what we're doing today. It's smaller stuff just for today. I've got 2 different items to unbox. I will let you know that I do already have a dress on the order as well, so there will be a bigger unboxing and try on shortly. There will absolutely still be Lolita content. I do want to go to some sort of meetup this year, just all the ones that have happened so far. I have been busy, but it's my goal to get to at least one and get you guys some more Lolita content in between all the cosplay content, because I know that's what some of you are for. Alright, enough of me rambling. Let's get to the unboxing. Oh, quick note before we do start, because I'm holding things, you may notice that there's some weird colors on my fingers. I'm sorry about that. I am in the process of painting some Harley Quinn boots right now, and it's really not avoidable. It's not coming off, but that's what it is. It's not blood or anything. It's paint. Okay, let's actually get started. Our first item today comes from Masumi Boutique on Etsy, and I really hope I am saying that correctly. All links will be down below if you want to check out these stores. Came in this cute little purple package, very adorable. The other side has my information, so I am not going to turn it around. Let's cut this open. Ooh, that glide. Okay. Inside we have, items wrapped in lots of bubble wrap, so that's really nice. Gonna pop that. Actually, I shouldn't. Sometimes I have to wrap cosplay things. Inside all of the bubble wrap is this very cute little box in cellophane wrap, I think that's called. It's got a cute little advertisement on the front. It actually says Sweet Ribbon on here. Oh, / Masumi Boutique. So Sweet Ribbon, Masumi Boutique. I'm assuming it's the same thing. Need my scissors back to cut into these little tapes here. You can see that when I said small, I really meant small. This is a tiny little box. The other one item is bigger, but figured I'd start the year off gently. Okay, so we opened the little box. Oh, did I not cut it enough? Okay, we opened the little box. And look at the ring is nestled in there amongst pink tissue paper. That's so cute. So the first item I got is this really beautiful unicorn ring in a blue sparkly star. That is super adorable. I'll get you guys a close-up. I really like this ring. I don't have a lot of gold jewelry, which I think I've said before, but I plan to get a little bit more, so hopefully that will work out. I think it's nice. I think it'll match some things. Definitely not this outfit that I'm wearing now, but still really, really nice. So that's it right there. Very cute. It seems very well made, very sturdy. Nothing is kind of shifting around or wobbles. It's all staying on there as it should. The unicorn is detailed. You can definitely tell what it is, so that's a real bonus. It looks like the rings are slightly adjustable on the inside, so that's good for anyone who has different sizes, but this actually fits my finger nicely. And overall, I think it was just a really, really cute little purchase. I will definitely be buying accessories from this shop again. I would highly recommend it. Alright, clearly our second item has a bit more size to it, so that's exciting. It's literally coated in tape, so I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to cut into this, but we're going to figure it out. Ooh, okay, this is actually ridiculous. It's like the whole world's supply of tape. assuming this is enough to like get in there because I'm done cutting tape. This was ordered off of Taobao, and I used your buy to order it to here. Again, link for the store will be down below. I really loved everything I had, so maybe it'll be nice. We'll see. We'll find out the quality. There is some broken styrofoam, which is going to get all over the place. Not exceptionally stoked about that. Okay, I very carefully took some pieces out to hopefully minimize this getting everywhere. And let's pull this bad boy out. Oh, 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 oh. I couldn't resist. So I went for a purse, which I don't have a lot of yet, and I could not resist the opportunity to get a Captain America bag for my Lolita fashion. Do I have anything that will match this? No. Do I care? No. I will get things to match this. I promise you that. So the front is his standard shield, except this blue is a little bit lighter, which is fine. I think it looks good anyway. The back is a very light blue, much unlike his shield, which is fine, I guess. Easier to match Lolita than like a dark blue. There is a zipper at the top with a star on it. That's cute. And it looks like it can be a little handle or a bigger handle. Oh yes, so there's like adjustments in there to make it big or small depending on how you want to carry it. There is actually like a pretty decent amount of space in here. Like it's not like the biggest bag you've ever seen, but it's not bad. There's a little pocket as well to keep some things separate, which is always appreciated. And otherwise, I think this was an excellent purchase. Girl, look at your purse. That's cute. There was honestly no way I was giving up a chance to have Captain America integrated into my Lolita. He's so important to me. I literally have every Captain America thing you can think of, so why wouldn't I have this one too? Well, that's it. That's the haul. Like I said, 2 smaller items, 2 accessories to start myself off with this year. I'm very happy with both of them. I think they're super cute. I look forward to coordinating them with something. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. No idea how I'm going to get the Captain America bag in, but I will find a way. He is that important to me. I'm going to do it. So again, I promise there will be more Lolita work into this channel again. I promise. I've got some stuff coming down the pipe for that. It is not being ignored. There just will be a decent amount of cosplay stuff as well because it's quite a busy year for that for me this year. I'm going to more conventions than I have before. But I will promise to weave them both in so you see everything like I promised. Alright everybody, that's pretty much it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to check out my Lolita fashion, the Instagram is down below as well as the usernames at the end of the video. Leave me a comment about how much you love Captain America, and I will see you all next time. Bye!